If you see this dog, stay away immediately and call the police. This is not an ordinary dog. It has abilities that have left many people stunned. I will show you the video, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe as a sign of love for your parents. If you don't, it might mean you don't appreciate them. This video went viral when a family hosted a party at their house. While everyone was busy eating and chatting, this dog suddenly appeared. What happened next left everyone in shock. The dog walked on the water in their swimming pool. Its feet didn't touch the water at all, as if it was defying gravity. If you see a dog like this, never touch it or bring it home. Share this video with your friends to warn them. And here's the video.